Hello guys, welcome back to my new channel. Today I'm going to show you how to peel a carrot. So just grab it with your hand and just simply do it with the knife. Right now carrot price in market is very low. You can get just for rupees 10 rupees per kilo. It's very good for health. I can make curry, I can fry. So I have now peeled all the skin of the carrot. Now I am going to cut into pieces to fry. Just hold and cut it the small slice it. Then later on I'm going to cut it into small pieces. So just keep watching and learn how to cut it. Just do it like simply, in a simple way. Just knife and hand, no machine, nothing. It's very tasty. It can't give good nutrition to our health. And guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel and help me to grow, because just I'm learning to do it, and so how to do it in day-to-day life is very important to learn how to cut and how to cook. Today I'm just going to show you how to cut and peel it. Just cut like this in the small pieces. And it's very tasty. It's good for your health. You can have different kind of energy from this carrot, fresh carrot from market, because now is carrot season time, available in cheap prices. So guys, please do like my video and subscribe it. You can look here, it's already fried. Thank you guys.